your WordPress. So it will comes with a default WordPress themes. So first of all, we have to install the theme. Theme is very important. So your website looks based on the theme. Okay, so you have to select the theme very properly. So for that, first you have to go to the appearance, then themes, and there you have to switch your theme. So here I already added the Astra style and Astra WordPress theme. So first of all, here you have to note one thing. So that is you should use the styled theme. So if we are using a main theme, here my main theme is the Astra. So and on the Astra, I am using the style theme Astra style. Why I am using the Astra style? Because whenever making the changes like custom CSS, any customization to the my main theme, when I do the update, okay, particularly when I do the update, then the design will be corrupted. So for that, so we have to use the Astra style theme. Okay. So I hope guys you will get the answer. So if you're clear about this point, just type the clear in the chat box. If you're clear about the Astra style, why I have installed the Astra style, just type the clear in the chat box. Guys, you have to be interactive, so then only the session will be more interactive. Okay, so we have installed the Astra theme, we have installed the Astra style theme. So we have know the why we should install the Astra style. Okay, sorry. Okay. I will tell you again. So here we are installing the main theme and then same style theme we are installing. Why we are installing style theme? Because whenever we make the changes to, sir, please put your mics in under mute. So I will take the questions later. Okay. Whenever we make the changes to the main theme, so then whenever we will what in the WordPress for every plugin, for every themes, updates will come. So whenever update will come, then the whatever design we made that will be corrupted. So so to avoid those things, we have to install the Astra style theme. Okay, so Astra. Whatever theme you install the general press, then also you have to install the style theme. So here we are creating the websites from scratch using the templates.